Welcome to the real deal of real estate. This is Miss Abby and we are here at Bloom Residences assisting our clients. Again, this is Miss Abby. And we're running again for another turnover day with our client. Si Ma'am Marinette is from Mindanao pa and kakaland lang nila sa airport right now to meet of course yung ating turnover assistant. So this client right now, na-process na natin everything and we will deliver what we are promised, which is yung turnover ng unit niya. So this project, yung Bloom Residences, is one of our favorite project, no? Kasi this is really in a good location in Sucat, Parañaque, very near to the airport. Plus, ang laki ng size. It's a 2-bedroom unit. Napakaganda ng deal ni Ma'am Marinette because nakuha niya yon. It's like a rent-to-own term. So, very minimal lang yung dinaw niya. Ngayon, matuturn over na. So, even nasa down payment stage pa lang siya, we can use that unit na pwede niyang agad iparent yung unit. And we're here to assist her sa lahat ng gusto niyang gawin sa kanyang property. Plus, yung nakuha din ni Ma'am Marinette is with free appliances package na. Tara, samahan natin siya to see yung unit na nakuha niya and of course, tanggapin natin yung key together with the appliances. Let's go! Hi, Ma'am! Nauna pa kayo. Kamusta, Ma'am Ses? Hello po, Ma'am. Nice meeting you, Ma'am. This is our first time. Not to meet. Hello, Ma'am Ses. Congratulations in advance. So, ito po yung Tower A po, Ma'am. Then, yung Tower 2 is dun sa kabila.
Ah, okay.
So, right now po, si Ma'am Ses naman nakita na ito before. Pero like, ngayon kasi, since under construction pa yung ibang tower, ito pa lang, isa pa lang yung set ng amenity na naka-turnover. So, even we're here at Tower 2, actually naman magkapit-bahay tayo, Tower 2 rin yung akin eh. So, pwede na po gamitin to. So, like, yung mga guests natin doon, eventually they can use this.
Free use ba yun pag halimbawa sa mga guests?
Actually, ma'am, free use po for the unit owners. Pero yung guests, they need to pay 150 pesos per head. Pero ano naman, aware naman sila kasi ini-inform po ng ating mga PCR.
Okay. So, bago pa lang pala to, no? Sa
Opo,
Bloom.
Tower A and B pa lang talaga yung naka-turnover. Pero eventually, Tower C and D, it will be turning over like mga December going next year. Bawat tower po has their own lobby. So, yan. We can use this po for entertaining guests. Ganyan po. Alright. So, dito rin, ma'am, yung, yung unit na pag-e-stayan natin. In the 8th level. Nasend ko na po yung code.
Yes po.
Nandun po. Valid yung code na yun, ma'am, for 2 nights. Yung question niyo pala, ma'am, yung about sa furnishing natin. Since, di ba, yung unit natin is fully furnished naman natin, nakuha with free appliances package. So, ngayon, like I said, they will give you the key ng without appliances pa. So, they will schedule po kung kailan yung delivery ng appliances.
So, bale, yung appliances, sila na ang pumili nun. Hindi na tayo pwedeng tumingin or ano ba yun?
Opo, ma'am. Kasi parang bulk siya. Siguro pang-4 na client ko na kayo na magta-turnover with free appliances.
Okay. Yeah,
So, focus nyo talaga pala to, ma'am, na yung
pag-usapan din yung paano yung
Airbnb.
Yeah, handling ninyo pa kung paano. Yung room po ba, Miss Abby, may internet na or kami mag-a-apply?
Actually, SMDC kasi, meron din tayong partner na Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
which is yung Woofy.
Nabasa
Yan yung Woofy. So sila, ma'am, naglalagay na agad sila. Parang free 1 week. Pagka nagustuhan mo yun, you can reload it for a month or parang yearly. So may mga package din sila. Yes. Welcome, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum.
Ito po yung secondary. Pagka dineliver din naman ng yung mga gamit, ito po, window type kasama na rin. So, ito po is sliding door. So, yan, sliding siya. Tapos, yung delivery din natin dun, ma'am, I think we have bed here, tapos cabinet. Kasi tayo sa ating master's bedroom naman. So, this one naman po, the master's bedroom, together with 1 bed na rin tayo dito na queen size, with mattress na rin yun, ma'am. Tapos, we also have the closet na rin na kasama. Yung nilagay ma'am ni Miss Rona na mga list. Tapos, this is our balcony. Tapos, ito po, they will give us naman the key bed. Ayan. So, this is a 2-bedroom unit, 32.5 square meter.
Okay, sige po.
Okay, sige po.
Pag nagpa-install kami
Cabinet.
saan ba kami pwede mag-inquire?
Pwede ko kayo ma'am i-refer din sa J Project if you want to focus on that particular cabinet lang. Pero sabi ko nga, if you have din, pwede rin kayo mag-canvas. Alright, so we're done with our client, with Miss Marinette. Na-turn over na yung unit nila and they're very happy. And now, mag-i-stay na sila doon. And they were going to furnish their unit para maging ready na to for Airbnb business. And of course, they will enroll to us to RJ project. With RJ Elite, hindi lang kayo nag-invest sa property. You invested in your future, your lifestyle, and your worry-free business opportunity.